So I stopped by the post office today and found yet another mailbox find. It appears it's been there for about a week. I guess I need to check more often. Go ahead and crack it open. I have no idea what this is. I was not expecting anything, and which is great. I like surprises. Sometimes people will send me a message on Instagram or an email, but surprises are even better. Nice letter from Scott here. Looks like some of these cars have a story. The blue convertible, the blue van, yellow Corvette, and cartoon car were found inside of a wall during a remodeling of a school. Pretty neat. The yellow ambulance survived being ran over by a car. He was out riding his bike and saw it and had to get it. Racer car was in a box of stuff from an auction. The translucent blue one was found in a used car a coworker had purchased. The rolling GoPro he got from the local Kroger's. He didn't have a GoPro. Oddly enough, I have one of those GoPro cars, so now I have two, but I almost decided to purchase a GoPro for the car, but I haven't done it yet, so. And he says it will probably work with any miniature video camera. I do have a knockoff GoPro, but I believe that car's for the GoPro 4, I'm not sure. I may try to do that. Now I have two, so that is awesome. So here's the blue convertible, and it looks like it's missing the windshield, but it's not. It's actually in the bag. That's pretty awesome. Very cool little car there. I hear my grandson coming down the steps.
What are you doing?
A video. Little truck.
Is that mine?
Do you want it? Sure. I'll put it right over here. They didn't see it. Right here. Right here. There you go. See it? You're getting up close. Ooh, look at that one.
Can I have all of them?
Eventually. Some of these we're going to fix, okay? A little spoiled boy.
I just want to see them.
You just want to see them? Ooh, look at that one. What kind of car is that?
I don't know, like Shardini? I like Shardinis.
What's a Shardini?
A green car.
A green car?
Ooh, what car?
We have one of those. That's a GoPro mount one.
Oh, yeah, but it's
We don't-
broken.
No, it's not broken. Look at this one. Oh, wow.
Wow, wow.
This one we don't have. This one is comes with a puzzle. Look, we can take that one apart and put it back together. We got a car like that a little bit, huh?
Mm-hmm. What? This van is so small.
Grandma's up there cleaning, huh?
What about this one?
Where's Mommy? We gotta fix that one. Where's Mommy at?
Just
Ooh.
she wants to take a nap. Ooh, what
She wants
car?
to take a nap.
Yeah, she's tired.
It's like 11 a.m., 11:30. Anyway.
She's tired though.
So we're gonna fix some of these, but some of these you can have. I think you may have one like that one. So now you have two, huh? You have a bunch of cars, buddy.
Huh?
This one is neat. This is heavy. This is a puzzle erasers.
Those are erasers?
Take them apart, put back together. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. The GoPro car.
How do you put it up?
Oh, you figured it out. I haven't opened our other one. Where's Amelia? Is Grandma watching her? No.
Amelia. Well, I thought the thing went up.
Oh,
Like that. Like that.
you have cars at Daddy's? Ooh, look at this one.
Wait, oh, that car is ugly.
Ugly, well, I'm gonna keep it then. This one we're gonna fix these few, and the rest of them we can play with.
Why this one? Look at this wheel.
The wheel? The wheel's
And this
broken?
one.
Let me see.
And look.
Well, you would probably manage to break it anyway. Oh, we may have to take that out.
Are you gonna
This
fix
one
it?
ran over by a car, I think. Or no. I don't know. Still rolls, kinda.
I like this one.
Alright, let's go play.
I forget how to put it on.
So they are erasers. The whole car's an eraser, huh? The wheels, everything.
Can't put it on. Oh, no, I got it.
You want to put this one together?
I'm fixing it.
You're fixing it? Pretty cool, huh? I'd never seen these before.
Me either.
So when you mess up on school, you can use it, Hot Wheels, as an eraser. How about that?
We don't have Hot Wheels and erasers at school.
No, but you do.
Yeah. Let's go park them right there.
Go park them right there.
Let's go.
Anyway, thanks again, Scott. Anyway, have to use this in outtakes. God. All right. Anyway, thanks again, Scott. We really appreciate it. As you can tell, the little guy is going to have fun with these. I didn't find an Instagram or YouTube channel for you. Otherwise, I would love to get you. Shoot. Anyway, thanks again, Scott. We really appreciate it. You could tell the little guy's going to have a lot of fun with these, and I got to do it again. Because. Anyway, thanks again, Scott. We really appreciate it. You can tell the little guy is going to have a blast with these. I would love to give your channel a shout out, YouTube or Instagram. I didn't see anything. There is this on the box. So the YouTube channel today is Cody's Lab. Maybe I'm not in the loop. Maybe this is kind of an ongoing thing, but educational, family, safe science channel. That's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. And as always, thanks for watching. You want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching and play some basketball.
Let's play some basketball. All right.